Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to edit the file content using find replace in MS Word. For that I have already taken one paragraph over here. For find and replace and the select option you have to go to the home tab. Inside home tab on the extreme right hand side you can see find replace and select. Now first we will see how the select is used. So if you want to select any content in your document, then there is a multiple option available. If you want to select all, just click on that. It will be selected every line and every content which is available in your document. Then select objects. Now if you want to select a particular kind of editing option, that is, if you want a similar formatting option, then just click on that content and just go in the select and select all text with similar formatting. Just one click and the same formatting will be selected like this. So here you can see they have a similar format, the same bold, new Roman, the same size. That's why it got selected just by using the select text with the similar formatting. Next thing is the find and the replace. Now if you want to find some word inside your document, then you have to just click on the find. If you click on the find, then just write whichever word you want. If I want robotics like this, now it is showing how many times that robotics words come in my document. So 4 times it is there in my document. Next thing, I want to replace that robotics, so I have to click on the replace. Once I click on the replace, this small dialog box will open. Now it shows here find what. That means we have to find the robotics and replace with robot. Then you have to type their robot like this. And if you want to replace single robotics, then just one time you have to click on the replace. And if you want all robotics should be replaced with the robot, then you have to click on the replace all. Now if I click on the replace all, it will give a small dialog box over there which says word has reached the end of document and 4 replacement were made. Do you want to continue searching the beginning? Then if you want to search from the beginning again, then click yes, and if you don't want, just click no, and it will be done. Now you can see all the robotic is removed and the robot is replaced. Now if you again find the robotics in this document, then there is a no robotics available because we have removed or replaced that robotics. Now here if you search again robot, then you can see the 4 times the robot is there. So in this way you can find whichever word or whichever uh, text you want. If you want to search the day to day in your whole document, so many times if it is coming in your document, you can search multiple also like this. Find day to day, it is coming only one time. Now if I want to search off, then find, then it is showing multiple options. So how many times it is coming, it is showing in this box. And then if you want to replace it, just click on the replace and replace whichever word you want just by clicking on the replace with and type that word here and replace all. In this way you can find and replace the word inside your document. Thank you.